होरेन MLA खर मो तानरुनी होरेन खर मिनिस्टर मो तानरुनी होरेन खर CSO खर मो तान कनाई मो कना लौदगे लीडर हाइबदु फ्लैग पार लीडर इमाई बनी चेन चस ngaw leire lakam putu lakani dore
okay
minas yam lag thibani manipur da pokpa khoi manipur da leiba khoi manipur se imale bak se nongma matam amade khoi ning tam lebak leram ba khoi ngasi khoi minai digi se hena ton na leire minai gi tamakta su orbasu samna justification amalei mango the neighbor yadi mango the cheibe yadi mai thok to the tora mai tolo pira che but there is some relations ngasi thoi be irang punamak say I totally squarely blame the government of India akoni taba phangi akoni here sedigi itatan taba phangi media through the media ngasi Manipur media digi hena like Hindu ka say India manung the largest okay publication Hindu gi mai gi news or my publication is a very fast adigi mainly in the labor sing sources sing shina yam na khudi hen bugum tawi maybe makai publication masing yam listing lakta lak panina aduna soram basu jai akoi shina some sort of a control or command or restriction kar labor khotpra akoi news tagi de moine yam thini hele secondly coming back to your questions yangbiu mi lakama se tillasi ani se tillasi ohum se tillasi karino what do we gain tag daba manipur se divide to bi gre article si ladiba punamak si khone to uduri se india da amana haibada akhoi gi chanabi akhoi phangom thokpa right se khaiduk to dana sum akhone tabada orally da home minister na haige na tai nang honorable nang chief minister Mr. Biren nang tamde yengo chingane ai yenge state is divided into two that means already masi chin kuki jogi makoin apa mai matung ina taurira karino adu de khangdre adu state has been divided into two article 14 19 21 siga right of private defense this thing that thing loine period article 3 siga akoi Indian constitution the period akoi the rights freedom of speech, freedom of rights, freedom of movement. How you put them? So, but Hana did look for the Natana. Okay, Article 3 Shiga, Moin Akoshabu, Shengdokitana, Lamse Machet Mache character divide to Buya, Bagi, Masi Article 7, Sijin Nabras in the Dobra Highways when I'm ching the bomb lie. But from their behavior, from their modus operandi, from their applications of their mind, Nashi Tori Pulamasi Chin Kuki Jo. Amadi Manipur the labor sagai na te kunthra mari mga labor koi punam khaidok tan khotok na tori punam se Bharat Sarkar na koi ye agencies punamak raw high special bureau ko lamphel the lady SIB subsidiary intelligence bureau lady madigi digi IB lady adigi his excellency governor Ras Bhavan lady army lady paramilitary force ladies the central armed police forces intelligence ya punamak na minute to minute jodi base karam mamatam da Bharat Sarkari hangach bajabra karam mamatam da I underground mayam valley the labor punamak I don't endorse it moina tawju the mohigini adu ngasi de mohne tawrese chummi haiba akoi wakhanam Bharat Sarkar na khode la le karam karigin habedal foreigners singsina natana infiltrators oiba adiki koi illegal immigrants mayam singsibu home minister sab nang sunasana khangi bani nang loina tari bani laga koi lamsibu pura muthatlag Manipur han nuai na lejeram koi punamak naga only the indigenous and the Manipuris of course 700-800 years before lakwa Muslim communities punamak de khoi de loina matam pura khoi de chamini komale there is no issue kukile kari haya koi Bengali na Bengali de pok pune khoi se Bengali na dharma se ondo pirame chakcha lakcha khoi mayak por ondo pirame khoi de Bengali ni meti khoi Hindu chapra khoi de Bengali ni khoi ga original Bengali ga nakli Bengali khoi ga se khoi karim to khoi ga mujenable leite de punamak loina hingi why these infiltrators illegal immigrants lapre to holiba punamak se na koi na khangna no hena upspas na koi siga thajle armed forces mayam loina division mamda IG mum loina leire completely IG CRP khangde CISF khangde SSB khangde Army khangde Major General amana akhoi gi IG gi ring mayam puhna leina what for and for whom tori punamak Tauriba improvised arms ammunitions Punama Gauti the Pariba, drone Sangba, Pariba, rocket propeller grenade Pariba, RPG Pariba, Punama Makok the illegal immigrants in Lorena Taudan Laga, Akoibu, San Mayam Migi, Assam the Bihar the Bengal the San Mayam Low Mi Charurga Parurga, government get tax ki area ma Korko Imapamduga, Matu Pulla Tamaga Pungsing Lupa Yankay Chama, the Wooden Kubi Pullaga Tamalivisu Bharat Sarkar, Manipur Sarkar, Manipur the Labour Praja Mayam, Akoibu Kangna, Manipur the Labour political parties Puramak. Irrespective of your caste, your creed, your like Punamulana talk, we Manipur Mahli will say Bharat Sarkar Sen Shunging and with the game of Koineta Hunbani. Is it wrong on my part? Amutadil Haisi Bharat Sarkar. Karina Nokunita Holy Vasakana Toli Bonatoi Punamase. Mona Mapandila Kui Pura, Kopchen Gen when wine Layu, Hibitanatana morning, a see me like Mangatruktori, even a man like Mr. Laldoma. Manachura Chanpur, the Chief Minister Oirega, what authority he has to speak about the Manipur and the Manipuri. Make the loin chap managin akona lak sega procession toroga lak kari akuna pangade. We need to resign everybody. We need not to talk the INDIA, all of you. Nakui gi mas advantage ni chatlo nakuni dalisiga. Forget yes na Congress na INDIA matat noi matat min noi ne do jam lebugum tawi nakui masan fragmented group oina man ngang da man ta da man to ba parliament and the Rajya Sabha so completely phagi dong na towi bhap ta fulcrum have nok ni me bhap to ubo phange do oiroi. The Bharat Sarkar no koi jingbite hai bese miras. It is totally established. Bharat Sarkar na toge haribadi ashon ba dono khan ba akoibu netharaga thamba acha miyoi kharna hai kari prime minister lagte kari home minister lagte. Why they should come? Aigi imai pasina aibu isha natti ni indok na thambibe matungda aibu imani kobine hai bese. Is it necessary to say again and again? Haibam Topra, Agi Maipagi, Maki duty bound knee, Machakar Mani Hingi, Machakar Mani Kadusige, Karmain to joke and have some money. Yang then Makone Topra. From my side, I request the Honorable Prime Minister. Nangbo Queen Dup Donatoro Queen Target Pony, Tara Nangbo Queen Yam Puja Tobus and Pam Dogum Towi, Nang world leader ni. World get out nang the Tobiri, Chin cookie joe get the Mutton Nakoina Namit, Ushalagal lady was so Nakoina Tinge, Nakoina Pajana Masi, a loan order check the white. Why you need to import about 1 lakh, 2 lakh supplies? Nakoina Tohumbugum, Tobugum, Chingnabum Poine. Akoibana Bharat Sarkar, please give a reply. What kind of article you have extra order to confine us Manipuris within the valley only? Nakoi na tahon banatro, nakoi labor me punamang ase, nakoi National Highway 2 belongs to whom? Kanagina, nakoi natro Home Minister G. Nang masi reply piu, nang na ekwabi chalandi ribasa, what authority you have, Honorable Home Minister? This is my land, this is my state, my freedom of movements, my freedom of speech. Highways in Nakoina, what authority you have, Bharat Sarkar, that you want to block? 37 national highway, then Nakoina, who is Chin Cookie Joy Mohit Karim Day? This country, this part of a country does it belongs to you or not, or are you not our guardian or not? Nakoina Toga Habiti, it's a matter of only 2 hours. I squarely blame you, Bharat Sarkar, the Prime Minister Lakpi, Home Minister Lakpi, you need to come. No, we jump me shibal or Prime Minister, Nang Lag, Milchan, home, she was no hingan Mungan a sea. Nang Nangi the Tom, Matara, Nokari, Tom with the cake, Noite, Bharat Sarkar, Government of Manipur, a Queen Noite, Nangishu, Fakta, the opposition party, a Queen Noite, you are not discharging your duties. Other Manipur, the Lakama shot with Delhi, the Hanatabide. So that because they have a strong voice. A koi ngashi lakama man putokani, hay noala lakani putokani, haying namuki a plek but aman mutokuni aman Delhi does not bother us. मरमुद्र कोई मौत मानवी दरकार ले नमई पायरग मोहि भारत सरकार को मुक्न से हाइब नते अदुन लास्ट ए अपील है सत्याग्रह लापताव नन violence the whole Manipur citizen punamak no we disown you हाइब समस्या कोई सत्याग्रह दा अखोना कुछ खुले पाइस world is there world is there UN is there अदुना अखोई INDA खंगदे ए खंगदे present government खंगदे असोन में अदुम रखता blame game whereas why there should be some MLA some minister saying this thing that thing this thing करी की तमक तनो चीन को की जो दे फत्ते है फत्ते बनते that a strong bond and unity I salute to those people मोन कोई थुकाएगे तो बकुन हुआ इतने वही बात नहीं otherwise there is only one leader there is only one guardian अमन हाई की मीडी इल्ली कोई दिलिशिंग अमा आई माना तो खुद माइन मखों पानी चिंग धोख तर दे मी नते Narinjan Lerika Chin Kuki Jo the target Torok any Manipuris, anyone who claims that I am a patriotic, I love my Manipur motherland, have a Ngashik Kabui, a minor school population Kabui Nagairi. No. Manipur is so wrong, no couldn't wine and lane, couldn't lay with Siga, Shinik Aduilamni, Atagilum Hiberlite. Manipur belongs to every section of people, Miras G. Masachumawani. The foreigners are lag illegal immigration with Tantoga, Moina Silta, Mitipang Lak and lady. There was only one MLA, Nasi MLA, whom Marie lady, let there be another chief minister. Chin Buki Jodan, chief minister, we had the Kunikan thing again. You come, you lead it. But the Moko with the Bharat Mamito Shalaga Jinga, Moin Haibu Punamute Jari, Punamase, President government, can I humbly request you and the President INDA Yamako order Praja Shiesos Mam Akoi Manipur Mapanchat Patai, Shakbai the Kuluibia Day. We need to go to Delhi and we need to pressurize it. Ako may pullaga machine horen mo changaluni horen MLA kar mo tanaruni horen kar minister mo tanaruni horen kar CSO kar mo tan kanai mo kana log the gay leader have the flag para leader imai bani chen cha ngau leire la kam putu la kami tore.